Hey guys, if your Valorant game is stuck on loading screen, that's what you need to do here. First of all, open up your GPU app and then go to drivers and make sure your GPU drivers is up to date. So this is the first step. And don't forget your operating system as well. Go to settings, then go to Windows Update and make sure you are running with the latest update, okay? Another thing that you can do here is to completely close Riot Client and Valorant. Should be no Riot Client or Valorant on system tray. Then you need to go on search and write run or press Windows and A key. Then look for %local app data %. Look for Valorant folder. Go to saved and simply not go to save, but you should see saved folder here and then rename it to whatever you like. It really doesn't matter. Just change the name. Then what you need to do here is to look for Riot Games. And then you should see Riot Client and Valorant. Also rename it both. And then here as well. Then what you need to do here is to go to services, go on search and write services. Then you just need to click on one of the tasks here and press V until you see VGC. Right click on it, go to properties, make sure startup type is automatic here and make sure service status should be running. For me, it stopped, so I just need to press start, wait for a couple of seconds and then apply OK. And then right click on VGC again and restart. And after restart, check if startup type automatic and service status is running, okay? And then you just need to go to Riot Games and Riot Client, launch Riot Client. Probably you need to relog into your account again. And then you just need to launch the game and look if the problem persists. And when you load up in the game and still if you're getting loading screen, what you need to do here is to press 11. And if you have a smaller keyboard, press Fn plus F11 to basically launch the game or play the game in windowed mode. And with windowed mode, you just need to wait until loading screen is gone and you're in the game or the game starts up. And then you just need to press Fn F11 or just F11 to enable full screen mode. And after you be in the game, you can play with the full screen mode. So that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.